Hello, Jekyll Knight here. Well, it's time to do another food review on this channel. And the first one I did was Campbell's SpaghettiOs Cheeseburger O's flavor. I gave it a diagonal thumbs down. I mean, SpaghettiOs aren't the greatest anyways. But during that same trip, I did find something in the check stands that caught my eye. I'm like, I don't know. What is it? Oh boy, Oberto. Bacon jerky. Bacon style beef jerky. I mean, what caught my eye? Bacon. Everyone loves bacon. At least if you're American, you love bacon. I know Canadians have Canadian bacon, which is just ham. Nothing great, but Americans love bacon. That's the reason why Americans are so fat and they're so unhealthy. But bacon jerky, kind of cold in a bag. Is this real bacon? It says 100% real bacon, but is it jerky? It looks like bacon, but everyone goes, I don't know. Is this going to be good? Let's find out. How do you open this? This is something you should not do if you're going to do a questionable food review. Smell the food before you eat it. It smells like bacon. Tastes like bacon. Pretty good actually. Surprised. Not really jerky. It's basically just cold bacon in a bag. Another piece. Pretty good. Now some of the fat's alright on this. Normally if you cook jerky when it's all like sizzling, and you eat the pure fat part when it's super hot, clear, that's the best part. But when it's kind of cold, it's, but it's still bacon. It's actually pretty good. Surprised. When I buy this all the time, my mask is kind of hard to see, but let's see if I can see. Total fat, 9 grams, 14%. Saturated fat, 3 grams, 15%. Of one serving, 1 ounce, and there's 2.5 servings, so that's quite a bit of fat. I think if I ate one of these a day, I'd probably have a heart attack. Because it's bacon! Everyone loves bacon. So what do I give oh boy, Oberto's All Natural Bacon Jerky? Diagonal thumbs up. I mean, I would think it's thumbs up, but I'll go ahead and give it a diagonal. It is good. It's not like, wow or anything, but it's a lot better than average. If you find this in your store, you should check it out. You won't be that disappointed, especially if you love bacon. This is all for this food review. I really don't have any more planned after this, but if I do find something weird, I'll review it. Thank you for watching. Jekyll Knight signing out.